Hi, this is Eric Bartsock, and today we're going to show you how to level your Whirlpool washer. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation brands, including Maytag, Amana, and more. If the washer is not leveled properly, the washer may move around or may cause excess noise during operation. It may also lead to poor cleaning performance from your washer. To start, you'll want to make sure that all 4 leveling legs have contact with the ground and that the washer does not rock. Next, you will want to use the level on top of the washer here and across the side here. On the side of the washer, you'll want to make sure that the level is aligned with this seam of the washer. If the bubble on the level is towards the front of the washer, you'll need to screw in the front legs to lower the front of the washer. Then screw the back legs out to raise the back of the washer. To lower the washer, you will need to turn the legs counterclockwise. And to raise the washer, you will need to turn the leg clockwise. You may need to use an adjustable wrench or place the washer onto a wooden block to do this. When adjusting one side of the washer, make sure that you adjust the other side as well. Then, place the level across the top of the washer here. If the bubble on the washer is to the left of center, you will need to lower the left of the washer or raise the right side. Continue adjusting all the legs, left to right and front to back, until all legs touch the ground and the washer is completely level. If you need to purchase a new part for your Whirlpool washer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.